Range Rover has reigned supreme for decades, but the 2028 Infiniti QX80 Autograph L is finally here to stage a coup.
With its stunning open-pore ash wood and a revolutionary Klipsch audio system, does this Japanese masterpiece have the soul to dethrone the king?
That's the question every luxury SUV fan has been asking, and the answer might surprise you more than you expect. Because the moment you see this machine, something feels different. It no longer looks like a luxury SUV trying to compete. It looks like one that fully expects to win. The first thing that grabs your attention is Infiniti's latest artistry and motion design language. The massive upright grille commands respect without feeling excessive, while the razor-thin LED lighting stretches confidently across the front, creating an unmistakable signature both day and night. The proportions are cleaner, stronger, and far more sophisticated than the outgoing model. Park it beside a Range Rover and suddenly the British icon doesn't seem quite as untouchable as it once did. The long wheelbase Autograph L carries itself with genuine confidence, proving that Japanese luxury has evolved into something far more emotional than anyone expected. Open the doors, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The cabin doesn't simply welcome you, it surrounds you with craftsmanship. Rich semi-aniline leather wraps nearly every surface your hands naturally reach, while authentic open-pore ash wood adds warmth that feels handcrafted instead of manufactured. Every button, every metallic accent, and every stitch seems intentionally placed to remind you that luxury isn't about showing off. It's about creating an environment where every journey feels effortless. Then your ears begin noticing something extraordinary. Infiniti's 24-speaker Klipsch Reference Premiere audio system isn't simply loud. It creates an immersive three-dimensional concert experience. The headrest speakers generate individual sound zones, allowing passengers to hear navigation prompts or phone calls without interrupting everyone else. Close your eyes for just a moment, and you'll almost forget you're inside an SUV. The clarity, depth, and precision rival dedicated home theater systems, making every drive feel like a private listening lounge. Comfort reaches another level through Infiniti's biometric cooling technology. Rather than waiting for passengers to feel warm, infrared sensors monitor body temperature and automatically adjust airflow before discomfort ever arrives. It's one of those innovations you don't think you need until you've experienced it. Suddenly, climate control becomes proactive instead of reactive, creating an environment that quietly adapts around you without demanding attention. Of course, luxury means very little without performance to support it. Under the hood sits Infiniti's VR35DD twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, delivering strong, effortless power that feels remarkably smooth. While it replaces the traditional V8, you rarely miss those extra cylinders. The turbocharged torque arrives instantly, making highway merges, steep climbs, and confident overtakes feel almost effortless. Power is delivered with refinement rather than aggression, perfectly matching the personality of a flagship luxury SUV. Even more impressive is the electronic air suspension. Whether you're gliding through city streets, crossing rough pavement, or cruising at highway speeds, the suspension constantly adapts beneath you. Small imperfections disappear almost completely, creating that famous magic carpet sensation long associated with vehicles costing significantly more. Combine that with extensive sound insulation, acoustic glass, and active noise management, and the cabin becomes astonishingly quiet. Conversations remain effortless, music sounds richer, and long-distance travel feels remarkably relaxing. Technology is another area where Infiniti clearly aimed at the very top. The dual 14.3-inch displays feel crisp, responsive, and beautifully integrated into the dashboard. Menus respond quickly, graphics are sharp, and the interface feels intuitive instead of overwhelming. ProPILOT Assist 2.1 adds another layer of confidence with advanced hands-free highway driving capabilities, reducing fatigue during long trips while maintaining smooth, predictable control. Parking such a large SUV also becomes surprisingly stress-free thanks to the invisible hood view and ultra-wide camera system, allowing drivers to see obstacles that would normally remain hidden beneath the front end. So where does that leave the established king? The Range Rover still carries unmatched heritage and undeniable prestige. Its badge continues to symbolize luxury across the world. But heritage alone doesn't guarantee leadership forever. The 2028 Infiniti QX80 Autograph L delivers exceptional craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and a reputation for long-term reliability. all while maintaining a significant price advantage over an equally equipped Range Rover Autobiography. That may be the biggest surprise of all. Infiniti isn't trying to imitate the Range Rover anymore. It's offering its own interpretation of modern luxury, one built around innovation, precision engineering, and everyday usability instead of tradition alone. And for buyers who value substance just as much as status, this flagship might represent one of the smartest luxury SUV choices we've seen in years. The throne hasn't officially changed hands yet, but for the first time in a very long time, the king finally has a challenger worthy of everyone's attention.